Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm actually going to teach you about the soft light and how to use it. So the way we use it basically is you paint over what you want to paint over using this layer of soft light above the original sky layer. And the blending option is going to let you see what you're doing. So you want to hit your paintbrush, and say for instance we want to make these trees here a lot greener. What you want to do is go to your picker and click on the green, maybe a light green. Okay, so now I got a light green selected. Go to your paintbrush and maybe drop your opacity just a little bit. And it's actually too dark of a green, so what I want to do is just drag that up just a little bit. And I'm actually going to bring this up to a neon looking green. Hit OK. As you can see, I'm painting the green in. And it probably looks a little too foresty, a little too crazy there. So you can actually drop your opacity if you like on your soft light adjustment layer. So we just keep on painting with the green all over the mountains and all over everything we want to be green. Okay, now everything is green, as you can see. Okay, now you want to use your soft light to maybe darken in these roofs. So you go to black, and you can darken in the roofs just like I'm doing here. Maybe even darken this rail. And if you actually want the sky to be a little different too, you can hit blue. You can kind of paint with it. It'll make the sky a little bit darker there. Or you can use white to brighten stuff. So I'm going to use white, and I'm brightening the side of this house, as you can see. And brightening all that stuff. So as you can see, the difference, that is without soft light, and this is with soft light. And as you can see, it changes the picture dramatically. You have control over what you're doing. It's a really neat thing, really neat blending option to do. So I'm actually going to stick with this and move on to my next clip.